This is Beat U.S.A, your daily dose of health news. COVID-19 is climbing again in Colorado and across parts of the Western United States, and much of the concern is focused on a brand new strain that scientists are calling the Nimbus variant. So, what's happening right now? Colorado health officials say they've seen a steady increase in positive test results. But even more importantly, wastewater surveillance is picking up a sharp rise in COVID traces. If you're not familiar with that system, here's how it works. Researchers test sewage samples for the virus. Since people shed COVID even before symptoms appear, wastewater data often serves as an early warning system, detecting a surge days or even weeks before hospitals start to notice. And right now, the warning lights are flashing. So far, the Nimbus variant seems to spread faster than older strains. People who've caught it report sore throats, congestion, and fatigue as the first symptoms, which can feel almost like a cold or seasonal allergies. That means people might shrug it off at first, keep going to work or school, and unknowingly spread it further. Doctors say the good news is that, at this point, Nimbus doesn't appear more severe than recent Omicron subvariants. Hospitalization rates remain manageable. But health experts warn that if infections spike quickly, even a mild variant can strain hospitals, especially emergency rooms and clinics in smaller towns. So, what can you do? Stay up to date on your vaccines. If you're eligible for a booster, consider scheduling it soon. Vaccines may not block every infection, but they still lower the risk of severe illness. Test if you feel sick. Home tests aren't perfect, but they can help you know whether you should isolate and protect loved ones. Keep a mask handy. You may not need it every day, but in crowded places, like buses, concerts, or airports, it's still an extra layer of defense. And of course, don't forget the basics. Wash your hands, rest if you're sick, and avoid close contact if you're not feeling well. Experts in Colorado are urging calm, not panic. They say acting early by testing, staying home when sick, and taking precautions can prevent Nimbus from becoming a much bigger wave this fall. This is Beat U.S.A, reminding you, stay safe, stay informed, and take care of your health. We'll see you in the next update. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider for personal medical concerns.